What's going on, everybody? It's T-Bizzle here, coming at you live from Medellin Colombia. And today, I'm going to give you the rundown on a bunch of different topics and give y'all some of my testimonial and experience about coming here for the second time and some of the things that has happened to me. And I'm just going to go ahead and get into it. Pickpocketers is a pretty good spot. And it's gonna be a lot of girls walking around, a lot of people trying to sell you stuff, a lot of people, this whole Poblado area around the park gets kind of sketchy at night, you know, a little bit, you know. It's still safe pretty much, and you know, but you gotta watch people, watch all of them. And like me and my friend said, you gotta watch out for the diversion. Let me tell y'all a story, right? Let me tell y'all a story. So, it's these little kids that's going around. I don't think they mean no harm or nothing, but they'll ask you for money all the time. They'll say they're hungry. And some of them are, because I've had some take our leftover foods, ask the people for our leftover food to eat, and they would share it. And that's when I was like, dang, they really hungry, you know? They ain't just talking. You know, so you give them some change here and there, a couple dollars, this and that, but them little kids will come back to you the next time they see you and ask you for some more. No.
No soy ladrón como el de ayer. Ayer a ti te quitaron el teléfono. Ayer a ti.
No. No.
Nico.
No.
Todo bien.
Watch
Nico,
out.
hungry.
Watch out. No.
Nico, hungry. Bye.
Watch out. It's like a non-stop go. They keep coming. They come back to you every time, ask you for some more, And next thing you know, you got the whole gang coming up to you asking you. Last time I didn't experience that this much, but it's been a lot this time. Last time it was a lot of people trying to sell stuff, but now I guess some of the kids is doing bad and they out here. You know, they gonna be asking you. Now, that's number one. You know, I'm just using that for an example. The other people is gonna be the people trying to sell you stuff. Gum, cigarettes, soda, chapstick, candy, what you need. They come up to you with these trays, right? They come up to you with these trays of stuff and they trying to sell you stuff. You saying either yes or no. It's up to you. But watch for them too. This is what I'm saying. It's adding up to something. Then you're gonna have the guys coming up with the shirts, trying to sell you a shirt, right? They coming up with the shirts, trying to sell you something too. They might be trying to sell you something else, I don't know. But watch. You gotta watch out for them too, right? So that's 3 different type of people I just said. You got and it's not just the kids asking you for something. I'm not just saying the kids, it's anyone that's asking you for something, right? It might be older guys. I've had older guys ask me, they hungry, can they get something to eat? Can you do this? You know, you're gonna be doing it all day long. You know, when is it gonna stop? That's up to you. You know, if you got a lot to give, then go ahead. If not, don't make eye contact with them. When they talking to you, just look away. Because if not, they're gonna keep talking to you. They're gonna stand there and they're gonna look at you and they just gonna keep on saying over and over again, as long as you give them your attention. They will not stop. So if you don't want to be a giving person, just say no. Shake your head, or you don't even gotta say no, just shake your head and turn away. As long as you keep looking at them, they feel that they got a chance. They're gonna keep on talking. And that's more time that you out of focus. Anytime you sitting there paying them attention. Because now you're talking to them, right? And now your eyes is on them. You're not watching what's going on around you. Earlier I said the diversion. First, one person to come up to you. It might be the group of kids. And like I said, they might not mean no harm. The other people might just use them to get over on you. Then it's going to be someone else at the same time. So now your focus is on one person. The other diversion comes, it might be the man with the shirts trying to sell you something. At the same time, right, you gotta watch out for the 2s and 3s of spontaneous things happening. you start getting overwhelmed with things, right? You start getting overwhelmed, not paying attention. Your focus is messed up. Next thing you know, it might be the guy with the tray. He comes over, and you like, nah. So now you got 3 people in your ear. You can't. You trying to look. You looking each and every way. You saying no, 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 maybe, you know. And next thing you know, you might not even feel it. They'll snatch your phone. I got this phone pickpocket. I got pickpocketed from my phone. Me, I'm a seasoned traveler. I watch everything. But I failed to do it this time. I'm over here talking with my homeboy. I got the little kids over here talking to me. Someone trying to sell me something. And then the guy with the tray, with the stuff on the tray comes up and he asked me. And I'm like, nah. I told him no and turned around, not paying him no attention. Somehow, they reach in your pockets with the 2 fingers, go in, grab your phone like this, pull your phone out and keep walking. But if you like me, I pat my pockets like every 5 seconds. You know, I'm looking for my phone like clockwork. So I notice anytime you leave from around me, I'm looking. You know, I'm patting and making sure everything is good before I let you get on my peripheral. So I notice soon he started walking away. I go for my phone and my phone out there. So now I'm questioning myself. Did I put my phone down? Or did I, you know, I knew I brung it out. But I had to question myself, like, did I leave my phone at the house? I'm like, I know I wouldn't do that. I asked my friend, like, did I give you my phone for something? He like, nah. So I look, and I see my man that just left from over there crossing the street. So I chase him down. I run across the street. I chase him right across the street. He was going back towards the park. Chase him down. I asked him, you know, in vulgar language, like, you got my phone? And he's like, oh. He pulls my phone out, talking about he found it. Oh, it was on the floor. Just that quick, this man came over and pickpocketed me from my phone. Could have been gone. This phone, I shouldn't even have this phone right now. You know, because he was a smooth operator. They fast, man. Real fast. But it was all from the diversion. You gotta watch for the diversion, because you had your focus messed up, and next thing you know, and drinking doesn't help. So now you're drinking, you're comfortable, you know, and now you're lacking. And that's another thing. Don't be out there drinking too much. That's a whole nother story I got to tell you. But watch out for, you know, pickpocketers, because they can get you. They smooth, man. They're smooth. Downtown. When you downtown Medellin, everyone from the locals here gonna tell you, hey, be safe. You know, be careful down there. You know, they snatch stuff. They run off with your stuff. You get pickpocket, all that stuff like that. There's a lot of stuff like that going on. So when you go downtown, don't take that much money. Watch your phone. My man over there said when you go downtown, he put his phone and his wallet in his boxers or his underwear. He said he don't take that much. He said this stuff go in his underwear when he go downtown. I'm talking about a guy from here. I didn't do all that extra stuff, but it's a lot of stuff going on while you down there. You'll see the footage that I got from downtown. We was hanging out late night down there, drinking beers at it's a whole little area downtown. It's different things to do. First, if you downtown, depending on what you want to do, if you want to go party or if you want to see some stuff down there. Things to do downtown include Botera Park or something like that. I can't remember. I think it's Botera Park. First, I got dropped off. I went to San Antonio Park first. I went down there, took some pictures of the statues. They had a statue that blew up or something like that. And just went around, took some photos and videos of the statues. You'll probably see some of that footage. Um, it looked like it's a big, almost like a stadium type. Like you could have a concert there. There's a bunch of Black Colombians down there hanging out. Hanging out at that park down there. It was pretty cool. It didn't feel unsafe to me down there. Not when I went. So I can't tell you too many different things about over there, except they have a few statues you can take some pictures of and stuff like that. But I didn't see the partying. Well, I did see some partying. They was partying during the day. I didn't go at night, so I can't tell you too much about the nightlife at San Antonio Park. I was there during the day. From San Antonio Park, we walked down to I think it's Botero Park, something like that. And I walked down there. Got there, gets live instantly. It's a lot of traffic, a lot of people selling stuff, a lot more people. And there they have more statues down there. Take pictures, look at that stuff. They got the botanical garden somewhere down there. I didn't get to do that. That was on the list. They have an old church, famous church down there. You know, the museum. I went in the museum. You get to see some of that footage. It's definitely worth checking out. You know, go to a place. You don't want to just go there and party. You know, you in another city. I recommend going and learning some history about the city, checking out what things they have to offer. You know, have some fun. You won't, even if you don't do the stuff like that. I can't tell you how much fun you have doing something that you don't normally do. So the museum was pretty cool. Me being a tourist, snapping pictures with the naked statues, the ladies on there, and all that stuff like that. That stuff was pretty fun. Right around there, it's gonna be people trying to sell you stuff, little souvenirs and stuff like that. And let me tell you about that. That's also something you need to watch out for.